Welcome to a brief demonstration of just how easy it is to raise an order with JobFlow PLUS. This is a combination of JobFlow's work management software, TomTom WORK's powerful vehicle tracking and navigation system, and Destiny's digital pen for data capture. Simply click the order icon to open the order screen. Then select the client and the site where the work is to be done. Your client and site information can be imported from a file when you first set up JobFlow. Then select the job type. This may be a reactive call-out, a preventive maintenance visit, a project, or simply a quote for work. We are going to select a reactive job and type a description of the job for the operative. You will also need to add an order number or reference, and the name of someone on site who the operative can contact when they arrive. This information can be edited later if required. Now we'll look at the type of work that needs doing. Selecting a section and subsection of work will ensure JobFlow only allocates correctly qualified operatives to be selected for the job. You can edit these sections according to your line of business. This is electrical work and will require an NIC certificate. JobFlow will remind you to issue the certificate before it lets you close the job. The response time for the work is 24 hours, and we can now save the job, ready for allocation to an operative. The allocation screen lists all jobs that are unfinished and shows them in tabs according to deadline or those under query or awaiting feedback. The coloured dot next to each one shows the job status. We'll go to the Unallocated tab and select our job and then select an operative. JobFlow will only show you operatives who are qualified for the work section you have selected for the job. We'll choose this gentleman. Right-click on the operative to give you the option of sending the job details via email, adding or deleting a work appointment in the operative's diary, or sending the job immediately to the TomTom in the operative's vehicle. Before sending the order details, you can make additional notes if you want to. Switching to the TomTom device in the operative's vehicle, we can see an envelope in the top left-hand corner of the screen. This shows the order has arrived. Back in the office, the JobFlow screen shows us that the order has been received by the TomTom. If we go back to the TomTom, the operative can simply touch the envelope to reveal their job information. And in the office, JobFlow shows us that the order has now been read. In the vehicle, the operative may agree to the job and choose to start it straight away. The TomTom will now navigate to site by the most efficient route, taking traffic conditions into account. Back in the office, JobFlow shows us that the job has now been started and the time the operative will arrive on site. Once the operative has finished their visit, they will complete the digital worksheet with a Destiny digital pen. This will include their reference, the job number, details of the work they've done and any parts they have used. These will automatically be accounted for in JobFlow's stock control system. They will also fill in their arrival and departure times, which populate their timesheets, and a status number for the job. In this case, number 1 to show the work is complete. Now, with a client signature on the form, they can tick it and it will arrive immediately in the office. Back in the office, and JobFlow has automatically moved the job from the unfinished jobs in the Allocate section to completed jobs in the Status section. There's our job number 255. We can open it and view the worksheet newly arrived from site. With the client's signature to show their approval, this job is now ready for invoicing. And while you're busy invoicing that job, your operative is just leaving site on their way back to the vehicle to see what the next job is on the TomTom.